So the Maverick is trying to figure out a few more things about Jamaica, land we love. And football, one of the sports I love this evening. We are now into the second season of the Jamaica Premier League since the pandemic break. The first season basically went well. No spectators, controlled environment, all protocols observed, full television product, no major incident. We are now early into the second season, same conditions. So with the World Cup campaign now gone bad, it is now time to move forward. We see track and field now getting permission for fans. And the first question is, when will the Jamaica Premier League start getting some fans in the stands? Start with a limited amount, make it fully vaccinated fans. But like everywhere else in the world, when we gonna get some fans in the stands for the local Premier League? Despite having a good pilot, the Jamaica Premier League bled losses last season. The clubs themselves are run on fumes. They need the fans, they need the revenue. And not to mention the fans themselves. Imagine, 3 seasons now, them don't see them club live. So last resort suggestion from the Maverick. They can play the Premier League games with spectators on the infield at Cayman Park. Yes, because of COVID now keep over there. Yes.